Let's play Skin Club. So you guys, let's find some battles. Wait, let's go to the active battles, then let's go find our enemy here. So I joined here. Only six rounds, and that is only $243. And so here I join, guys, and I want to become some counter terrorist, of course. So I join here. Wait, there's some error. Oh, I'm here, guys. I'm here. Yeah. We were just waiting for another player, then we can start the battle. Waiting for the player, guys. Okay. Body. Whoa. Best drop item. That was the best drop item, but he had a knife. So Boris and Body was a terrorist, while I'm a counter-terrorist waiting to join my team. Oh, he's a level 96, bro. Wow. Whoa. Best drop item was $7,207. That was so rare. Okay. He left, guys. He left. Since I don't have, we can find another player to here. Let's join here. Only round 2. Okay, let's join here. Waiting for my teammates, so we can start the battle again. Wait, need to find some. Here. Let's join here. Oh, here, guys. Okay, here I got $4.76. I beat him, then $4.10. He beat me, then only it's a tie. Okay, only this is around 15. Okay, it's a tie. Okay, I got some AK-47 here. P90 nostalgia. Oh, okay, where they going? Oh, Mac 10 discotheque. I got it. So maybe I won this round. Yes, I won. And here, either we can sell or rematch. So we can sell this since it's not that rare item, but we can rematch it. Let's play a rematch again. Oh, she's already back. Wait, let's find some others, and let's find some other enemies. Wait. and 14 rounds. Let's join here. Okay, I won $40. 5.41. Oh, okay. 0.93. We got charm, guys. So I got total as try again. Only round 14. Hope I get a rare item. Rare rifle. No. No. Oh, so I won this round. I think I won. Yes. I won this round, guys. And I got $127. Let's sell this. Sell. Did they want a rematch or not? So let's find again another enemy. Join here, guys. Let's join here. Let's play cast counter terrorists. Oh, leave the lobby. Let's join here. It's only round 12, so I pick terrorists. It's just the only option. Okay. This is my teammate, Borandok. Still Borandok. Okay. Oh shit. Uy! Oy!
Nagbangsit.
Okay, guys. We lost. Oh, it's okay. It's just only $5. So nice game, nice game. They were declined, so let's leave. They don't want a rematch. Okay, let's find some battles. Here. Let's join here. Only $70. Okay. That was all, guys. Nice game.